Today, I'm gonna walk you through a day in the life of a senior agency lead at an ad tech company basis. The first thing I do is wake up an hour early to review my to-do list. What are the most pressing, biggest opportunities that I can move along? And meetings that I need to set up. I'll do some preparation for a demo that I have at 2 p.m. I'll take a look at my CRM, their LinkedIn profile, website, review all notes so that way I can get a thorough understanding of who I'm talking to, the areas of value that they're probably going to have. I fill out documents very thoroughly when we're going to give a demo so that they have all the information that I have and also have a clear understanding of what the main value drivers are. On the demo, I make sure that we cover everything that they want to learn about. I try to never end the meeting until I get next steps. I will take very thorough notes, transfer all of the notes into my CRM. I'll send over a follow-up. I will use ChatGPT to make it concise with clear next steps and action items. I will then check in with my team on any outstanding items. There could be a proposal, see the status of it, see what part I need to play in it. From there, I'll review my prospects in my CRM and my lead generation tools. See if there are any that are worth reaching out to, and then I will start reaching out and following up on last week's prospecting emails. I'll check out LinkedIn Sales Navigator and see if there's anybody worth reaching out to. I will listen in on status calls, chime in when necessary, check in with my CSM, make sure that they are feeling good about the account and see if there's anything that I should know. After that, I'll continue my follow-ups. Before the day is up, I will create a to-do list for the following day. I'm consistently checking out my team's messages to make sure that there are no needs that come in from management or from my team. I try to be a resource and answer as quickly as possible while I prioritize revenue-generating opportunities. I keep thorough to-do lists so that way I have a running log on everything that I need to do with the most important things at the top. I make sure that nothing slips through the cracks, mixing up my days with prospecting, follow-ups, research, moving opportunities along, setting up meetings, providing value, checking in with my team, and submitting proposals, and also having meetings and demos. Oftentimes, I'll have 1 week where I'm focused very much on prospecting and outreach. The next week, I'll have filled my calendar with meetings and demos. I always start my day an hour early and usually end around 5:30. Start my day by reviewing my to-do list and end my day by starting a to-do list for the following day. I'm constantly monitoring email to see if any prospect email comes in so that I can quickly respond to them. I'm making sure that I'm keeping my Salesforce up to date. I'm moving opportunities along. I try to get in person when possible, but most of my time I'm doing video chat. And that's the day of a top sales producer. It's a very difficult job, but if you're able to stay organized, focus on what you can control, and keep to-do lists, focusing on the most important revenue generating opportunities, focus on little wins each day, trying to accomplish as much as you possibly can, those add up to big wins. By building in strong habits like follow-ups, adding value, getting up earlier than everybody else, you will be able to consistently achieve goals and have high activity numbers. There is a direct correlation between activity and revenue generating. I hope this was helpful. Please feel free to check out the first 3 chapters of my upcoming book, Top Sales Producer, How to Crush Your Sales Quota, where I walk you through everything to onboard starting from day 1. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this helpful. Please subscribe if you did. Until next time, remember, if you're not helping, you're not selling. Thanks.